everybody, it's Miss Alana, working on some math, getting smarter and smarter every day, and I know you are too. We are working on bus driver math, day 3. This is question number 4. Let's begin by reading the question. Read it with me. It says, we traveled a distance of 8 miles. Convert this distance into feet. And here's a conversion factor. 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. So to begin, to work it out, we can use our cubes clues to work out the problem. First step is C, circle the numbers. Help me find the numbers in the problem. What do you see? 8. What else do you see? The number 1. And what else do you see? The number 5,280. Any other numbers? Yeah. Okay, that's the number of the problem. We don't need to circle that. We are done with that step. The next step is the U step in our cubes clues. It says to underline the important words. Let's find the important words by finding the units of all the numbers we circled. 8. What's the unit? 8 what? 8 miles. Bam, right there. What else do you see? 1. What's the unit? 1 mile. We have this number, 5,280. What's the unit of that? Feet. Now, we have other important words in the problem. What else do you see? Convert, that's an important word. And what else? Distance. So we know these are distance length measurements. Anything else you see? Oh, there's the other word, distance. And, oh, there's the word feet right there. Bam. Okay, I think we're done with all our important words. The next step is the B step. Read what it says. Box the question. Let us find the question. I don't see a question. That's a lot of, there's no question. But you know what? It tells us what we need to do. What do we need to do? It's right there. It's right there. It says, convert this distance into feet. Bam. That's not a question, but it's a statement that gives you what you need to do. So we're going to highlight or circle or box that. We're done with that step. The next step is to eliminate unnecessary information. Is there anything in the problem trying to trick you? Is there any information they're trying to trick you? No, you can't be tricked anyway because you're so smart. So we're done with that. And the last step in our cubes clues to solve the problem for the question, let's see, is to solve and check. So to solve the problem, we need to think, what kind of operation do I need to do? Not a doctor operation, a math operation. We have 4. Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Which one should we do? Let's think about it. Let's think. Think with your mind. Think with your mind. I know that 1 mile is 5,280 feet. I can't get a mile, but I can get a foot. Not that foot. Not that foot. Let me go get a foot for you. Bam! I am back with a foot. What kind of foot is that? That's a ruler. It is a ruler and it measures 1 foot, which is the same thing as 12 inches. You should already know that. Now, we know that 1 mile has 5,280 of these in it. So 1 mile has 5,280 of these in it. I'm going to write that down. 1 mile is the same thing as 5,280 feet. I'll write the abbreviation for that. Now, what's our answer? Well, we need to find the answer. We need to figure out how many feet, how many of these go in 8 miles. Now, that means I need 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What operation should we do? Do we add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Now we can do two ways. We can either add or multiply. What do we add? We need to add 5,280. How many times? 8 times. Which is the same thing as multiplying 5,280 times 8. Now, raise your hand if you want to write 5,280 8 times. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then add that. All right, if you're going to do that, go ahead and work that out. I am going to do a different way, which I think might be the more efficient way. That means quicker and faster. But hey, either way, whatever way you want to do it is fine by me. I'm going to go ahead and multiply. Or multiply. I'm going to write 5,280 times 8. All right, multiply. What is 0 times 8? 0 times 8 is 0. 8 times 8, you should know what that is. Now, if sometimes you struggle with your math facts, make sure you practice. You can use your calculator for those simple facts that you should already know. Make sure you practice. 8 times 8 is 64. Write the 4, put the 6 up top, and we're going to add that 6 right there. Now we have 8 times 2. 2 times 8, same thing, is 16 plus 6. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Write the 2 plus 2 up top. 8 times 5 is 40 plus 2 is 42. And we need a comma. Count 1, 2, 3, comma, bam, right there. Now we need to do what? Check your answer. Always check your answer. I'm going to use my calculator. You can use your calculator or the calculator on your phone. Let's see. 5,280 times 8 equals, oh, I didn't even show you what I did, but bam, there it is. Can you see that? 5,280 times 8, 42,240. Bam, I got that answer right. I know you did too. So we need one more thing. What's the last thing we need? Is a unit. What's the unit? It says convert this distance into feet. Not that kind of feet. These kind of feet. So the answer is 42,240 feet. Bam. I am done. I know you are done. Move on to the next question. But before you go, here's some Lilana sprinkles for your life. Bam, 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 bam. Help you get smarter and smarter every day. See you then.